ay gutom na. Ay, closed. Oh my God, gutom na ang mga people of Canada eh. Ush. Kawawa naman kami. Hindi namin dinala yung pagkain namin kasi akala namin hindi gaabutin ng ganito. Ang layo ng parking. Look at the baby. This is Dorothy Harvey Gardens. So we're gonna see the Dorothy Harvey Gardens. Look at those. Wow, so cute nila. Look at those flamingos. They are real, Bree. Those are flamingos, guys.
I found the flamingo.
Yeah. Can I take a picture with you? Stand up there. Your tummy. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2. Okay.
Hi. Oh, I see
Crab apple. Flowering crab apples. Oh, those are Siberian crab apple. Okay.
I found that first.
Thank you, my love.
Oh, Mama, look.
This is the garden.
Look.
That's a pine tree. What a beautiful garden here. Okay, so let's just check. The garden is so beautiful. Ay, doon na tayo mag-picture. Gusto niyo?
Yeah.
Yan. Cartwheel. Don't disturb it sleeping. Go move there. Okay, do the cartwheel. 1, 2. Woohoo! Another one. Woohoo! Here. And then we'll take a picture here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. My souls. Oh, let's. Yan. Saan papunta to? Sa Asian? Papunta na yata tayo ng Asian, guys. So here, oh my God. And Max Conservatory. Wala siya sa akin. Nandito ako. Ilan kito. May nagpapakit naman dun. No? Talaga naman. Oo. Ayan nga. Papansin na eh.
How do you hold this?
It's beautiful here. You wanna sit there, baby? You wanna take a picture in there? Yeah? Pasok tayo ng NMAX Conservatory. Later na, we will go back. Let's see what we can see inside. So, ito yung kanina Harvey Gardens. Girl. Guys, ang dami pa. So, hindi natin alam kung mapupuntahan natin lahat. Wow, so cute. So, let's go to the butterfly sanctuary.
Going back to the hospital.
It's Wild Explorer. So nice in here, guys. My beautiful ate. Look at this. Please do not walk across flower beds. Nice. Ang ganda, oh. Ganda. Nice one. Ang ganda dito. Private function area. Sabi. So, meron pa dito. Ang ganda. Nice one. Late bloom. Oh, sour soup. Late bloom siya. May ganyan kami sa harap ng bahay. Pinatubo ni nanay ah. Here. Yeah, wait. Para sa oo nga, yung kinakain natin. Ramay ba yun? What's that? License to pollinate. Sorry, no. I'm talking to you.
When you were gone, there was a butterfly flying up.
Because this is beehive ginger. So there's really lots of butterflies in here.
Isn't that the sound they make?
Those are birds, I think. Sacred fig. Chromium lily. Sabi? There's avocado. Oh, ayaw nga no.
Yeah, Mama, we already saw that.
Meron. Mga plants sa Pilipinas, anak. Naka-play pala, guys. Ito pa, oh. Oh, nice. Uy, ang ganda yan. Don't touch it, ha? Uy, butterfly. Ate, the butterflies. So beautiful with the baby. Baby Brie. Hindi na makasmile. Gutom na siya. Nice. Ay, Brie, there's more, oh. Here. Don't touch it. Here, oh.
Oh, there's some.
These are the different
Bago
kinds
ito.
of...
This one, they are going it's already here.
That's a green one.
That's the cocoon.
Look at the
That's the bigger one.
Oh, look at that one. Look at that one. It's so fun.
This is their life cycle.
So the life cycle of a butterfly. Egg, larva, chrysalis and becomes the adult butterfly with the baby cutie pie. Buntot ng pusa, oh. Hindi mo na nakita. Marami sa... Sabi ko nga, ang Asian plants itong mga to. Raising a stink. Please do not enter the plant display. That's the food for the butterflies. So, these are red Asia's flowers. So, I hope we can see the lion. Guys, ayun yung camel, oh.
Crab and Dad.
Oh, see?
Where's
And-
the other one?
There. So far.
Oh my.
I'm talking to you. Oh, smile. Go see this. Last one, please.
But if you're laughing, that means you're
No, I'm not laughing. Oh. Last one, I promise. I swear, okay? Oh. So I hope we can see those monkeys. Go to daddy, oh. Come on. Oh, you know. Doon, oh, you know. Sa taas. Ano yun? Komodo. You wanna take a picture, Debris? Go up.
which one?
Guys, nakuhanan mo, Aki. Ayun yung monkey. Oh. Ay, the monkey's moving, oh. There. Hi, Daddy! Char. Pakita mo nga kay Brie. Look at this, guys.
Let's go home now. Wait a minute.
Ayan, oh, so big. Di ko alam, hindi siya panda. Halika na nga. Ito pa, oh, nakahiga sila. So, dito pala. Malayan tapir and white-handed ibis. Ayan sila. Oh, tutulog sila, guys.
Ha? Tulog lang ng tulog. Sarap buhay ah. Whoosh. The other one is sleeping.
Sleeping sila. Both of them.
My tummy is full.
Dinis Diner.
Letting me eat. I know.
Every ano naman is closed. Yung mga kainan. Para sana mapakain tong babaeng to. Ngayon, do you want to go to the dinosaur? She already seen the dinosaur kasi. She is... Uy! Oh! Ayun! Oh, ano? Bakit? The dinosaur. So big. Ayan. Okay, done. So guys, dito $5 ride all day. 3 single ride. Pasakayin mo na $3. Di ba you're hungry? You want to ride one time only, okay? So, sasakay mo na siya.
Just one time, Mama.
Daddy, oh, okay. Sasakay daw siya. One ride, $3, babe.
For the ticket lang yun. Ay, for the
Ayun,
member.
oh, single ticket.
Oh, single ticket.
Ano ka ba? Sakay si Baby Brie. Wait! Ang tapang nito, oh.
Are you going to sit down? You know? Hey, Bree, don't go anywhere. Okay, yeah.
Picture mo, ha, babe. Ikaw na kumuha, ha. Yay! Smile, Baby Brie.
Just like the old time.
Yeah. So, mag-isa niya lang, guys. Sinirentahan niya tong carousel for $3. Baby! Why are you not looking here?
Hey.
Diba? $3 lang yan, guys. So, rerentahan mo, sarili mo lang. Solo niya. Hi, wave here. Diba? Saan ka pa? $3. Solo mo ang flight. Solo mo ang beat. Solo mo ang beat. Hi! Wave your hand. So cute, my baby. Kailang ikot din yan. Dan. Tinuturo niya. Ito yung tigers din.
Please remain seated until the ride comes to a complete stop. When you are ready, I'll meet you over by the far exit.
Hintayin ko siya dito. Last carousel ride at 4:45 p.m. Saan na si Baby Brie? There you go. Here. Thank you. Bye. You too. Good job. Figures then classroom. Hindi ko alam kung nandiyan yung tiger ngayon. Alang, andun na siya. Magpa-park na naman daw ang bata. You can sit here, ate. Okay, go! Nay, there's another one pala. Wow! Yung co-op nila sarado. Sarado lahat yung mga kainan, guys. Walang makain. Yung isa naman ngayon, ang ano. Ay, ayun o, ano yung nasa taas? Sige, just play there, okay? We will just look at. Ayun o, yung nasa taas, dada. Ha, goat? Mga goat, kumakain sa taas. There you go. Ganda dito, para ka lang nasa Pilas. Yung mga tunog ng ibon na maririnig mo. Nice one here. So, andun si Baby Brie. Nawalay gutom niya nung ano. Nakita niya yung playground. So guys, mali. Pwedeng magbaon ng pagkain kasi maraming mga places where you can eat. Tsaka maraming kantin dito. Kaya lang today sarado lahat. Ewan ko ba? Monday pa naman. Dami namang tao. Dami namang nag-field trip. Ba't sarado yung mga kainan? Kaya gutom na gutom kami. 3 o'clock na. Wala pa kaming kain. Let's go na, Brie! We need to eat. Hanap tayong kakainan. Kuin labas, hanap tayo ng kakainan.
Baka doon na sa sinasabi niya.
Mimit ba natin siya? Come on, baby!
Ano lang naman 4 kilometers lang.
Let's go! We don't have food nga. Let's go find food. We'll go to the restaurant. Last one. Si ate yan, nung maliit, hindi mo paglalaro dyan. Kahit solo niya yung laruan, hindi ka pupunta niyan. Wala siyang pake. Pero si Bri, kahit mag-isa niya, kahit maraming tao. Ay, so...
What's that?
Let's go!
Come on.